Fully rechargeable. Quick charge up to 2 hours to fully charge. 20 minutes of continuous runtime. LED display controls. 7.4 volts of lithium-ion power. Introducing blending taken to a new level of professional performance and cordless convenience. Powered by 7.4 volts of lithium-ion efficiency and easily rechargeable with a USB cord, the EvolutionX Cordless Rechargeable hand blender does it all, from puréeing soups and blending smoothies, to whipping cream, mixing sauces and more. Includes 30 ounces beaker and chef's whisk. Top reviews from the United States. Great little blender. I purchased this blender for when I travel and stay at hotels, to make my morning smoothies, as I am on the go and don't have the time to eat in a restaurant or pick up food, and I prefer a healthier option than hotel or takeout food for breakfast. This little baby gets the job done. I stuff it with frozen fruit, or fresh fruit and ice, yogurt and coconut milk, and can add powdered supplements as well, and it's a quick blend and cleanup and I'm on my way. I find I do need to defrost the frozen fruit a bit before blending, as it is not as powerful as my Blendjet at home, but overall, it makes a nice smoothie. I like it so much that I bring it to work as well, so I can have a healthy pick-me-up in the afternoon. So nice to have a compact little blender to travel with. Love it.